So I'm going to quickly just do the gems on the ring rail to show the commands. So we're first going to put down an inside and an outside ring rail. Lift the top up or go and edit and choose another type of outside rail. Enter the command. Gems in channel. Select the inside rail, select the outside rail. So you will see that the gems come sort of midway on the ring. Should I pull it up? What it does, it's moving my profile to the side, but you can just pull that back. And if I pull it up again, it does the same again. So you can just keep pulling that one back. The same with the bottom, the end position. So if you pull that past, it will open the bottom. Just pull it through, so then it's closed. And those are really just how to toggle to get the stones up and to get this back. To have more stones, we just go to your gems. And then we can have more control over the gems. Let's say I want 5 gems. We just type in 5 and enter. And it will give me 5 gems. And again, at any stage, we can move this up or down. And if I wanted to now go and put in a gem in the center, gem on ring rail, it has put the gem in there for me. Click enter to end the command, and I go to my settings, pick a head, select my gem, and here I can now carry on the editing. If I want to go back and pull the surface back up, just enter the command, gems in channel, edit, go back to general, and now I can just pull this up to where it intersects. Or if I want my gems closer, my metal to intersect, and it's being interactive all the time. Should I wish to have my head, I can pull this through, click enter, and then go to our cutters, cut to ring rail. It says select the surface, this is the surface, and it cuts away to make it nice and round. And there we go. And of course you can edit all the claws and the bezels, all of that under the head. There we go. I hope this helps.